Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of website customization. If you've ever bought a template and felt a little lost on how to make it truly yours, this video is for you. We'll explore some fantastic tips and tricks for working with CSS and HTML templates. So grab your creative spirit and let's get started. Understanding CSS/HTML templates. Before we start customizing, let's understand the building blocks. CSS and HTML templates provide a structure for your website. HTML gives it the content, while CSS styles that content, making it visually appealing. You can tweak these to match your vision. Basic customizations. Now, let's make this template truly yours. First, simple changes like altering font styles, colors, and sizes can transform the look and feel. We'll dive into the CSS file, identify the right classes or IDs, and make these modifications. Structural adjustments. But it's not just about looks. Let's talk about structure. Want to move that menu bar or change the layout? HTML customization is your friend. With simple alterations in the HTML code, we can reposition elements or add new ones. Responsive design. With a few responsive design techniques in CSS, your website will adapt beautifully to different screen sizes. Let's ensure it looks great on desktops, tablets, and phones. Testing and troubleshooting. Finally, always test your changes. Preview your website on different browsers and devices. And if you encounter issues, fear not. We'll troubleshoot together by inspecting the code and identifying the problem areas. Advanced tips and resources. Now that you've got the basics down, let's explore some advanced tips and resources. Utilize CSS frameworks or preprocessors like SASS to streamline your coding. They offer pre-written code and simplify complex tasks. Optimization for performance. Optimization is key. Let's talk about streamlining your code for better performance. Removing unnecessary code, minifying CSS and HTML, and optimizing images can significantly enhance your website's speed. We'll explore techniques like compression, caching, and lazy loading to ensure a smooth and swift user experience. Version control and backups. Don't forget about version control and backups. Before making extensive changes, it's crucial to use version control systems like Git. They help track modifications, revert to previous versions if needed, and collaborate seamlessly. Additionally, always keep backups of your original templates and the modified versions to avoid any potential data loss or unforeseen issues. And there you have it, folks. Customizing your website with CSS/HTML templates is a creative journey. Don't be afraid to experiment, and remember, every line of code you change brings your vision to life. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy coding! For finding more themes and templates, please go to www.wailo.io website and explore the blog.